Hello you beautiful peeps, my name is John, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about this rear wing. Specifically, the one that came on this awesome body shell. Sorry about that. It's fantastic, looks great, looks wonderful, but then the slightest knock and it snaps off. Now I say the slightest knock, what actually happened was I was on the roof last night showing Colin what it was like with the 3S battery, and for some reason, obviously because I was tired, I put the car into reverse like 3 meters away from the solar panel and just reversed it straight into the solar panel. Just snapped off like an absolute plonker. So there I was. I've just spent the last, and I'm not joking, 2 hours trying to find a solution for this thing, getting all of the rear wings that I have, trying to beef it up, look about the biggest mounts that I could get, and I've just suddenly had a brainwave and stopped. This is the mount for the 144001. The reason being that it's supposed to be flimsy, it's supposed to be pathetically useless, because had I have mounted, like for example something strong and meaty like this to the shell, then obviously if I was to hit something with that, or it flip upside down, it's going to just tear the shell apart, which is not what you want, which is why they've got pathetic little ones like this. So I'm back to, how do I repair it? Now I was thinking of trying this super duper stuff that, as you all know, I am in love with right now, to see if it's any good. If not, worst case scenario, I'll use that thermoplastic and heat it up and stick it around. It's just I don't want to do that because I think that'll look really ugly. But let's get on. Let's see if it works. So, do that like that. I'm just going to double check that the focus and the exposure is okay on this. Good. So I think the best thing to do would actually be to take it off from here and do one at a time rather than trying to balance it and do it all at the same time. It also snapped here, I noticed. Right there, you see that that's snapped, but that's a relatively easy fix, methinks. Cool. So that will go like that, that will go like that, that will go like that. So what's it like? Has it bent? If it's bent, it's going to be a pain. It's bent a little bit, but it should be alright. Let's just see. I'm wondering if maybe I'm going to put something there, because I don't know if this stuff, when it goes onto the actual plastic, is going to cause some problems. Since when is John all about safety first? What's going on? I think it just shows more of how much I like the shell. I don't know if this tape's going to work. This glue's going to work. But the way that it seems to stick absolutely everything to everything, I don't see why it wouldn't work, to be honest with you. Good. Right, what do I do with it? See, it's just slightly curved itself out, so wondering if maybe I'll do it one at a time. It seems there's sort of 3 strands here, whether I'll just try and do it one at a time, but that one's definitely bent a bit, but see how we get on. Try these 2 strands first. Well, the reason I didn't do the third one was you can see it's sort of slightly warped I'm probably going to regret that now, but I'm going to just try and flick it over to one side and put some glue there. Nice. Come here. Cool. Hold that for a little bit. Put a little bit at the back there. Hopefully this glue doesn't chew away at plastics. That would be a bit silly, wouldn't it? Right, there's that one. I love doing repairs like this because, you know, simple fixes. A lot of people would just throw the bits away and buy a new mount, but I don't actually think you can buy these mounts separately. You've got to buy the whole wing again, or the whole shell again. Well, that's going to be a little bit harder. That one's definitely chewed itself up a bit. Alright, let's get on. It's quite hard to keep things in focus when I'm moving them back and forth. Sorry about that. I love that this stuff dries so quickly. I didn't like it when I was doing tyres, of course, but... Cool! Super duper simple. Just see now how it's chewed itself up a bit, both on that one and that one actually. I don't know if they ever would. Yeah, it has snapped. I'm just wondering if it was designed that way, but no, it's definitely snapped. So, what do you reckon? Put it on now or leave it for a few seconds? He shoots. He scores! Other way. That's not the one. Thought it was a bit tight. You see, it's still got some flexibility even though it's just been glued. And that has something to being called Instaflex. Plus. Sorry about that. Oh my. Of course that makes sense. Now that doesn't fit. Say what now? Well. Well. Look at that. That glue is so impressive. Repair. Done. And looking good. Oh, God, this is a heavy cut. Ta-da! Repair done. That simple. Absolutely love that. I'll keep you updated on how that repair goes, but I have to say, I think it's going to be fine looking at the way that I was just able to do that. Does it have a slight impact here? I need one of those panel beaters. Now, of course, this stuff, it does say actually on the bottle that it can fill gaps. Somewhere. I think it may have been on the box, but it actually fills gaps in the rubber of the tyre. So, you know, if it can do that, then I'm pretty sure that it can do this. And this is just the quick dry. It's not up until full strength for 2 hours. So I'm well impressed with that. Really, really good indeed. So there you go, ladies and gents. Nice, simple. Get this stuff for your RC repairs. And I wish you all a fantastic day today. If you like the video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Catch you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.